This is how to make an object disappear in Photoshop. You're going to click on your lasso tool, which is right below the rectangle tool, and you're going to make a rough outline around your object. You want to get as close to the body as you possibly can. This does take a little bit longer than you would think, but it is really important that you're taking your time and getting as close to the body as possible. What this does is it allows you to cut the image out, and what Photoshop does is replicate the background. So then you're going to hit Control and click on your object. You're going to hit Fill, and you're going to make sure that Content Aware is selected. Once it's selected, we're going to hit OK, and then it's going to take a little bit to load here. And then your object will disappear. You're going to go up to Select, Deselect, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and as always, stay safe.